Are you aware that over 70% of adults over 50 suffer from nutrient deficiencies that accelerate visible aging? This alarming statistic comes from the National Institutes of Health, highlighting a hidden crisis. Despite eating healthy and staying active, many still see wrinkles deepen, skin lose its glow, and energy fade faster than expected. If you've been frustrated watching your reflection change despite your best efforts, you're not alone, and there is hope. In today's video, I'll uncover the most powerful anti-aging vitamins proven by science to slow down aging, with a special focus on an often overlooked hero, vitamin B1. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with aging skin? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's explore how understanding and optimizing your vitamin intake can transform your skin and health from the inside out. Why do we age faster? The crucial role of nutrition and vitamins. Aging is a complex biological process influenced by genetics, environment, and lifestyle. However, one of the most significant and modifiable factors accelerating aging is nutrient deficiency. Scientific studies from renowned institutions like the National Institute on Aging and Harvard Medical School reveal that as we grow older, our digestive system's efficiency sharply declines. This means even if you eat the same healthy diet as you did in your 20s or 30s, your body absorbs fewer essential vitamins and minerals. This diminished absorption results in cellular damage, reduced energy production, and impaired repair mechanisms, key drivers behind wrinkles, loss of muscle tone, cognitive decline, and chronic diseases associated with aging. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2019, demonstrated that older adults have a 30 to 40% decrease in absorption of certain B vitamins and antioxidants compared to younger adults. Vitamins, particularly water-soluble ones like the B complex, play vital roles in maintaining skin elasticity, supporting nerve function, and regulating metabolism. Without adequate intake and absorption, the body cannot effectively repair DNA damage or combat oxidative stress, which leads to premature aging signs. Moreover, the body's natural production of enzymes that aid digestion decreases with age, further complicating nutrient absorption. Research from the Mayo Clinic highlights that by age 60, many individuals produce less stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food and freeing vitamins for absorption. Thus, it's not just what you eat, but how well your body can process and utilize nutrients that determines your aging rate. This is why many older adults experience increased fatigue, weakened immune response, and visible skin aging despite maintaining a balanced diet. Understanding this science sets the stage for targeting specific vitamins, like vitamin B1, that can counteract these declines. By enhancing nutrient absorption and supporting metabolic pathways, we can slow down aging from the inside out. In the next section, we will dive deep into vitamin B1, often called the anti-aging vitamin, uncovering its powerful benefits and why it deserves a place at the center of your wellness routine. Vitamin B1. Among the essential vitamins, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is a true cornerstone in the fight against aging. It is a water-soluble vitamin that plays multiple critical roles in maintaining our body's vitality, especially as we grow older. Scientific evidence from journals, such as the Journal of Nutrition and Nutrients, highlights the profound impact thiamine has on energy metabolism, nerve function, and cellular health. Vitamin B1 is a vital cofactor in the metabolism of glucose, the body's primary energy source. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy that fuels every cell, including skin, brain, and muscle cells. This energy production is fundamental for the repair and regeneration processes that keep skin youthful and tissues healthy. Without adequate thiamine, energy production falters, leading to fatigue, poor skin tone, and slower healing. But its benefits extend far beyond energy. Vitamin B1 is essential for the proper transmission of electrical signals in nerves and muscles, including the heart. This means it supports not only cognitive functions like memory and mood regulation, but also muscle strength and cardiovascular health, key areas that visibly decline with age. Thiamine also plays an important role in digestive health by aiding the production of digestive enzymes and supporting pancreatic beta cells, which produce insulin. This is especially crucial for older adults who often face challenges with blood sugar regulation and digestion. Studies in diabetes care emphasize thiamine's role in preventing complications related to diabetes, a condition that disproportionately affects seniors and accelerates aging. One unique and compelling feature of vitamin B1 is its ability to reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Known as the stress vitamin, thiamine helps regulate neurotransmitters that control mood and calmness. Since chronic stress and poor sleep are powerful accelerators of skin aging and systemic inflammation, ensuring adequate thiamine intake can indirectly help preserve youthful skin and vitality. Unfortunately, vitamin B1 levels decline rapidly in the body. Research shows the body stores only about a month's worth, so regular intake is essential. Moreover, thiamine is highly sensitive to food processing and cooking. Practices like boiling, canning, freezing, and even toasting bread can reduce B1 content by up to 50%. This means that many people, especially seniors who might rely on processed foods, risk deficiency. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for thiamine varies, but generally hovers around 1.1 milligrams for women and slightly higher for men. However, individuals consuming high-carbohydrate diets or those with chronic stress, excessive caffeine, or alcohol intake may require more. Notably, magnesium is a critical cofactor for thiamine's activity, so both nutrients should be balanced to maximize benefits. Clinically, deficiency in vitamin B1 manifests as fatigue, irritability, poor concentration, muscle weakness, and in severe cases, nerve damage. More subtly, it accelerates visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, dull skin, and poor wound healing. For women over 50 concerned with skin health and vitality, ensuring adequate thiamine intake, either through diet or high-quality supplementation, is a scientifically sound strategy to slow aging. Foods rich in thiamine include whole grains, pork, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Brewer's yeast and certain seafood are also excellent sources. However, because cooking can destroy much of the vitamin, supplementation may be necessary, especially in older adults. In summary, vitamin B1 is not just another nutrient. It is a powerhouse that fuels energy, supports the nervous system, enhances digestion, reduces stress, and ultimately protects against premature aging. Integrating vitamin B1 intelligently into your daily routine can make a significant difference in how youthful and vibrant you feel and look every day. Lifestyle factors that drain your vitamin B1 and accelerate aging. Vitamin B1 levels in your body don't depend solely on how much you eat. Your lifestyle choices play a huge role in determining how much thiamine you retain and utilize. For women over 50, understanding these factors is crucial because certain habits can silently deplete this vital nutrient and speed up the aging process. One of the biggest offenders is excessive consumption of caffeine from coffee and tea. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that caffeine increases thiamine excretion through urine, reducing the body's available stores. If you're a habitual coffee drinker, especially multiple cups a day, your vitamin B1 levels may be lower than you think, even if your diet seems adequate. Alcohol consumption is another major factor. Chronic alcohol intake not only interferes with the absorption of thiamine in the intestines, but also impairs its activation in the body. This is why thiamine deficiency is common among people with alcohol use disorders. Even moderate alcohol intake over time can gradually reduce vitamin B1 stores, negatively impacting energy metabolism and brain health. Smoking also contributes to nutrient depletion, including vitamin B1. Toxins in cigarette smoke increase oxidative stress and inflammation, which in turn consume more antioxidants and vitamins, leaving less available for vital cellular functions. Moreover, chronic stress rapidly uses up thiamine stores. Since thiamine plays a central role in nervous system function and mood regulation, ongoing stress creates a vicious cycle. Stress depletes B1, and low B1 worsens stress and sleep quality. This can accelerate visible aging signs like wrinkles and dull skin. Finally, many medications commonly prescribed to older adults, such as diuretics and certain antibiotics, can interfere with vitamin B1 absorption or increase its excretion. It's important to discuss this with your healthcare provider and consider supplementation if needed. To protect your vitamin B1 levels, moderate your caffeine and alcohol intake, quit smoking, manage stress through mindfulness or gentle exercise, and maintain a nutrient-rich diet. Balancing these habits will help preserve your vitamin B1, supporting energy, brain health, and youthful skin for years to come. Vitamin A, C, and natural herbs, powerful allies against aging. While vitamin B1 plays a pivotal role in energy and nerve function, vitamins A and C are equally critical in protecting your skin and overall health from the ravages of aging. These nutrients act as potent antioxidants, neutralizing harmful free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and accelerate wrinkles and age spots. Vitamin A, primarily in the form of retinoids, has been extensively studied for its skin-renewing properties. Research published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology shows that vitamin A stimulates collagen production, enhances skin cell turnover, and improves skin texture and elasticity. The recommended daily intake typically ranges from 10,000 to 15,000 IU for adults, but higher doses should only be taken under medical supervision due to potential toxicity. Vitamin C, another antioxidant powerhouse, plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, the protein responsible for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. According to studies from the Linus Pauling Institute, regular intake of 3,000 to 5,000 milligrams per day supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and protects skin from UV damage. Vitamin C also enhances the effects of vitamin E, creating a synergistic defense against oxidative stress. Beyond vitamins, traditional herbal remedies like astragalus and echinacea have gained scientific attention for their immune-boosting and anti-aging properties. Clinical trials and phytotherapy research suggest astragalus contains compounds that activate telomerase, an enzyme that protects DNA and slows cellular aging. Echinacea is known for reducing inflammation and supporting immune resilience, vital for healthy aging. Consuming these vitamins through colorful fruits, vegetables, and high-quality supplements ensures your body receives the nutrients it needs to combat environmental stressors and maintain youthful skin. Herbal teas or extracts of astragalus and echinacea can be incorporated daily as natural adjuncts. Together, vitamin A, vitamin C, and these natural herbs form a comprehensive anti-aging strategy that complements vitamin B1's metabolic support, helping you maintain radiant skin and robust health well into your golden years. Real-life stories. Understanding the science is one thing, but seeing real transformations is what truly inspires change. Let me share with you some powerful stories of women over 50 who embraced vitamin supplementation, better nutrition, and intermittent fasting, and saw remarkable improvements in their skin, energy, and overall health. Take Linda, a 58-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. Linda struggled for years with dull skin, chronic fatigue, and digestive issues. After learning about the importance of vitamin B1 for energy metabolism and digestion, she began supplementing with a high-quality B-complex vitamin while also cutting back on caffeine and alcohol. Within 3 months, she noticed her energy levels soared, and her skin regained a healthy glow. She also started practicing intermittent fasting, which further boosted her vitality. Linda's dermatologist confirmed her skin elasticity improved noticeably, attributing it to her new holistic approach. Then there's Maria, a 65-year-old grandmother from California who suffered from wrinkles and age spots that made her feel self-conscious. After incorporating vitamins A and C through diet and supplements, along with herbal teas containing astragalus and echinacea, Maria observed a softening of fine lines and a brighter complexion. She credits these changes to consistent supplementation combined with adopting a 16:8 intermittent fasting schedule recommended by her health coach. Maria shares, "I feel younger and more confident every day. Another inspiring story is about Karen, 60, who battled chronic stress and insomnia, which accelerated her aging. After consulting with a nutritionist, she focused on increasing her thiamine intake, reducing caffeine, and introducing mindfulness practices. Coupled with intermittent fasting, Karen reported better sleep quality, reduced stress, and less visible wrinkles. Her experience underscores how vitamin B1's role in nervous system health and stress reduction can visibly impact aging. These stories highlight a key lesson. Aging gracefully is achievable through intentional, science-backed changes. It's not about expensive creams or quick fixes, but nurturing your body from within with the right nutrients and lifestyle. If you're ready to start your own transformation, consider these strategies as your foundation. The next section will summarize these insights and offer practical steps for you to take control of your aging journey today. To wrap up, the journey to slowing down aging begins with understanding how vital nutrients, especially vitamin B1, support your body's energy, nerve, and skin health. Alongside vitamins A and C and natural herbs like astragalus and echinacea, these nutrients combat oxidative stress and promote youthful skin from within. Lifestyle factors such as excessive caffeine, alcohol, smoking, and chronic stress can drain these essential vitamins, accelerating aging. By adopting healthier habits and incorporating intermittent fasting, you activate your body's natural repair mechanisms, enhance nutrient absorption, and boost longevity. Remember Linda, Maria, and Karen. Their transformations prove that with commitment and the right knowledge, you can reclaim youthful energy and radiant skin. Start today. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods. Consider quality vitamin B1 supplementation. Reduce harmful habits and explore intermittent fasting. Your body and your skin will thank you. For more science-backed tips on aging gracefully, subscribe and watch the next videos in this series. Here's to your vibrant, youthful future.